Detroit, what's up, man? Make some noise, Detroit. What up? Alright. This next one, Detroit is the battleground for this one. I'll let my co-host introduce himself real quick though.
Oh, your boy, $sign. I believe 313, I believe Flint in the building. Make some motherfucking noise, Detroit,
What's up, baby? WTK, King of the Die, GZ Battles. Shout out to Bar Wars, shout out to Alpha League. All the Detroit, you already know what it is. Let's go.
Let's go.
Of course.
It's Mr. IC from Inspiration Clothing. We are here feeding Detroit. You follow us at Inspiration Clothing or at Mr. IC. We're for the city, man. Give it back to the city. It's the people of the city. Give it back to the city, man. Follow us.
Yeah, I'm lost.
Lost a child. Follow me on YouTube. Alright. Yo, all the way from Flint. Rapper to my left. Introduce yourself, bro.
Yo, what up? Joey Coughlin, Michigan, joeycough.com. Let's get it.
Make some noise for Joey, man. What's up, man? Yo, and all the way from New Zealand by way of Toronto. Yes, that's halfway across the world, man. Rapper to my right. Introduce yourself, bro.
Yo, what up? Xceed, motherfucking shout out to NZ, fucking Toronto, shout out to Dan Barker, shout out to Excel Records, and shout out to his moms. Let's fucking go.
Alright, since you traveled the farthest, man. No, and it's Tails.
You can go first.
Alright, Sonic Xceed, man. Everybody hold it down.
Hold it down.
If you see me, if you see me, if you see me walking down the street, if you see me.
Check it out. Yo, for this battle, I wrote non-stop. It was backbreaking. Ready to face son. Ramadan prayers. Munchausen syndrome. I had to act patient. Now you fixing ratchet after ratchet like the back pages. Rolled to Detroit alone, just a passport on me. Came to give Kid the work. Joseph Coney. I read CA, but can't forget Auckland NZ. Now I'm in Detroit. Male infertility. You're getting killed in the D. Yo, Xceed versus Joey Koff, but I had to do the science first. Thomas Edison, for me this was light work. I'm back with a strap, deuce of the gap. I'll put a Joey in a bag, kangaroo jack. And get off Smo's dick. Stop riding it down. Makes sense you're a Joey. You're known for hanging off sacks. Yo, I come from down under. You're fixing the Wizard of Oz. Fix vapor drops and I'm killing a cough. Farmville too. You see me grow my stock of a high fever. They just see me whoop and cough. Yo, I'll fuck your girl till she's wet. Cause I'm the best pimpin'. I was hanging off those walls. I'm Mexican. Yo, you just know. I'm Mexican. You just yap, I look cats, now you're set trippin'. I pop toasts, you eat rolls. We bread different. I dizzy on the gat, you can take the pick. I stay equipped, Tekken 3 that. Nina come with a lethal kick. Your squad don't throw hands. They beat hopeless in fights, but I be back in every gig like a portable drive. I stay close to my buddies like a hot belt hug. Leave you old screw-faced like a Sharpay pup. Studying these beats like a hot rate pump and been working on my trap like a barbell shrug. Pumps being religious, but we had no dough, so fuck it. I was even pushing bricks and temples. Indiana Jones, Colombian white, straight out of Medellin. And if you meddling, silencer on the hip, the club let the meddling stay around, but they won't see the pop like Eminem. The left leave you mumble rap. Now you got a designer flow, I'd be bouncing off these bodies like cologne, beating my elements, isotopes, and let that shit ring off the metal like xylophones. Greenhouses, I can't stop raising dough, cardiac patients. The way I gave her strokes, gun bars. You know I popped the tool, ARs, FMGs, I got a few submachines. With the rocket fuel, bronchitis, it'll spread this cough across the room. Detroit, you already know my slogan in round one was easy. In your gully, I'm still waiting on that goddamn
noise for Xceed, man. What's up? Let's go.
So let me get this straight. You're an Indian from New Zealand who moved all the way to Canada to pursue a career in battle rap. That's a pretty good life plan you got there, buddy. I'm sure you're going to be getting that top tier money. By the way, I got to say, Heather Locklear's ugly and Tupac's still alive. He's got a spot near Puffy. You want a squad? We can box. Take a shot. Here, punch me. You'll get socked right here, but you're going to drop near gully. You from an odd queer country full of nothing but faggots. And I don't mean that as a joke. Y'all don't believe me? Let's ask them. What do people from New Zealand call themselves? They call themselves Kiwis. I told y'all I wasn't lying. This shit is all true. So if you ain't a fag, then why would you label yourself as a small fruit? Hey, but look, but real talk, I know, but they ain't really talking about the fruit when they refer to Kiwis, they really mean the bird. But don't say you're about to spit a mean verse, because I did a little research and come to find out Kiwis can't even fly. So how the fuck you gonna leave Earth? I bet you was born feet first. That's why you always pussyfooting. You've been lame since preschool. I bet you was born feet first. That's why you always pussyfooting. You've been lame since preschool, getting your cookies tooken. All your boys cheering. Man, ain't no way this rookie's cooking. Y'all gotta sit with that fake gas like a whoopee cushion. Bars. Look, see, I just do this shit for fun, bro. I'm best as an artist. And so are you. A choke artist, fuck a vet, you a novice. You got a ton of battles where you just forget what you jotted. You got like 64 gigs where you got memory problems. Look, your neck's a definite target. You too pathetic to guard it. The blade will slice your epiglottis, then I'll shred your carotid. Think it's a game? Think it's a game till I place the fucking edge to your noggin and let it pick your top seed like the best team in college. See, I'm familiar with drama, I'm no stranger. Black mask with the pistol, call me the Lone Ranger. Chrome banger, aim it straight at your dome, hater. What'll happen if I pull it? You know that's a no-brainer. And y'all know I'm about to slaughter this chump. Bad cover band, I'll fuck this foreigner up. They put you in the ring with me, you got some horrible luck. You about to get ripped worse than a reporter by Trump. See, you a short little punk who really thought he could punch, but like Prince Nassim, you'll take a loss and give up. And next time you have a meeting with the tribe that you're from, tell Aziz Ansari that he's funny as fuck.
Let's go, man. Make some noise for Carl, man. What's up? Let's go.
If you see me, if you see me, if you see me walking down the street, if you see me.
Yo, check it. Yo, faggot. Yo, you come from Flint, scumbag. The land of pimps, hoes, and broken dreams. Girls suck dick for drugs. I brought a few caps of Josephine. Shout out to Flint. I know it can be awkward as fuck. Had to touch on your water crisis, cause I couldn't bottle it up. You're from a place where a bottle of water costs more than your rent. Flint, water crisis. Just another body that I'm filling up with lead. Yo, just another body that I'm filling up with lead. I got love for your hometown, so this had to be done proper. Coleman hell, there was something in the water. Yo, Coleman hell, there was something in the water. Detroit, home of the M&Ms, Royce the 5.9s, and Mark 1s. You say you roll with the tech. No? What a daft punk. So who the fuck said that he's blazing texts? Trader lives matter, it's making sense. Your mom is your sister. That's some crazy sex. Stuffed crust pizzas. You came inbred. Your hobbies include molesting your sister with rape and battery. You're so incest your favorite rap group is Dayton Family. KFC, even my family bucket. You got molested as a kid, but that's a touchy subject. Fuck it. Ayo, Gully, I'm sorry I took those shitty matches, but now do the math. X Factor rising through these brackets, I'm ready. I just C-sections open up for me like a miscarriage. I'm Joseph Fritzl. For years, my bond's been holding kids captive. Yo, I came here with a bone to pick, rib fractures, and your girl needs someone to comfort her. Thick blankets. Yo, you're obsessed with battle rap, and that's actually gay. Stop giving your girl 8 Mile every Valentine's Day. You fucking weirdo. Is this making any sense? Ironic you're Joey, but you don't have any friends. Yo, your girl calls me her sex god, gives me the best talk, Mount Rushmore of BJs. You know that her head rocks. Yo, fuck your time, fam.
Let's go, man. Make some noise for Xceed. What's up? Let's go, man. Make some noise.
Now, I could use gun bars, but I don't need the heat to beat this geek. I'll just walk up and slap him like Big Sean at a meet and greet. Anybody see that shit? Hey, and when I saw you, I didn't know you were my opponent in tonight's battle. I figured Kumar got lost trying to find him a white cat. Hey, look, you a battle rap stand that needs to be stopped. Because now you on Toronto's nuts, man. You will never be God. You need to get your own identity and stop thinking you about to get awarded for not being the real deal. Because now you in the DNA about to let some little kid twist other rappers' bars like he ill. Will call you the fuck out. In the DNA about to let some little kid twist other rappers' bars like he ill. Will call you the fuck out if you the fake type. You spit like 40 bars and all I gotta say is they light. Your lady was the skate type because she let me bend her. Don't be hating, but I fucked her in a Lex and she told me to keep banging. Oh, look, it gets worse though, listen. She told me she was on her period. Like that's a problem. Man, I fucked her with a rubber till I snapped the condom. Now my dick was all bloody. Look, till I snapped the condom. Now my dick was all bloody. She put it in her mouth and said, fuck, that's delicious, like Action Bronson. But I ain't dealing with her PMS. I know it's hard to handle bars about your BMX. But that bitch a rough rider. And I'm a fucking dog, so you know I had to slide up in her DMX. Look, you know what she told me? She told me he's sorry. She's the one who wears the pants and makes pay. Plus she said he lets her fuck him in the ass when they bang. She said he never dicks her down. This fag is straight gay. Even Las Vegas couldn't get this man to lay, babe. Oh. So listen here, Kiwi Herman. You like a bad case of BD that keeps returning. I'm from the place where GM, Terry Crews, and Breed were birthed in. You from a place where the national treasure is Keith Urban. Keith Urban from New Zealand. Look, you from a place where the crime rate is minimal. I'm from a place where you out of place if you ain't a criminal. My teacher owed me for a sack as a kid in school. I beat her ass and told her, bitch, it's all about the principle. You do subliminals because you afraid of beef chicken. You indirect. I'm straightforward. We speak different. Bouncer get checked at the door for all that sneak dissing. Fuck, I gotta put in the subtitles or something. I said the bouncer didn't check at the door. He let me sneak this in. See, I don't care about your creed. I'm trying to pocket some bread. I keep the beam on the chop when I'm popping the lead. And I don't know if you a Hindu or not, but you dead. Because in the end, you dying with that red dot on your head.
Let's go, man. Make some noise for Joey Cobb, man. What's up? We got a fucking battle here, man.
If you see me, if you see me, if you see me walking down the street, if you see me.
This battle was meant to be last year. I had to bring home a body. You dodged a bullet. Real talk. Just ducked a shorty. I got gun bar after gun bar, and you got a novice spiel. You got a novice feel. My gun a great instrument. That mean I grab the Glock and spill. Pocket check, find out where the wallaby, how an Animal Planet. Extra clips on a Joey like a special on Animal Planet. This another body, someone signed the witness form. I'm picking up 30s like single moms. You be misinformed. Since you're misinformed, your chick's beat on my dick. Had me talking to her walls like intercoms. She was... Yo, now listen up the way I can rip her free. You ain't shit to me. You have the fucking steeds of Mr. Bean in a cricket team. Strong like a symphony. You're fucking soft like rhythm and blues. I could leave you folded like Timberland shoes. Timberland doom, wrecking your anatomy and sanity. You couldn't hold it down, bitch, even if you were gravity. I'll leave you spinning like chatterings. Bars that I'm battering. Your chips are down like fucking thesaurus when he's gambling. Catch more kicks than a millipede. You ain't shit to me. You beating me's like a fucking Christmas tree in the Middle East. You fuck, let me catch my breath, man. Don't fucking laugh. Fucking big head 1.0 looking motherfucker.
That's it, bro.
Yeah, man,
Let's do it.
And you were talking shit about New Zealand and how birds can't fly, man. I'm killing this herb. Kiwis can fly. Bitch, when I let loose of that bird. Freestyle skills, bitch, you know that I've got game. Ayo, Gully, Kelly Slater, I'm just waiting to ride the wave. Round 3, and you know that shit was easy. Man, I'm still waiting on that goddamn Jeezy.
Let's go, man. Make some noise for Xceed, man. What's up?
Yo, I heard you miss your homeland because you think it's the best country. So you started watching American sports to forget rugby. I heard he loves the NBA, but he hates Golden State because every time he hears the name Steph Curry, he gets hungry. Look, you know, Indians eat curry and all that. I know. Hey, but y'all probably thought I was going to spit some bullshit like, I'll put seed in the ground like I'm planting a tree. Then expect y'all to react like that there was good. But fuck that. I said I'll load a hot round, pull the trigger and let the barrel cook. Pop the pill and terminate seed like Planned Parenthood. Look, a murder case don't make me nervous, Nate. I know that you're afraid, but last time I feared a seed was when my girl was late. Look, you think you about to leave this German 8 on wet seed and put him in a dark place and let him germinate? How come you look like you got a permanent dirty face? And how come every Indian smells like a fucking turtle tank? Man, I'll insert a shake into you because you too smelly, so tell your mom bye when I slice you up like a New Delhi. Geography bars, look. You fucking Punjabi Punani. I hope your fam back home gets killed in a tsunami. Or your sister gets abducted and forced through bukkake, then her nude body's found in the trunk of a used Monty. I'm too cocky. Look, I'm too cocky. Brain quick as a Bugatti. You don't really want no beef with Joe, you too sloppy. I'm Luca Brasi, nukes from the Tommy, pollute his body like he's using poppy seed, he'll get shot up and turned into a zombie. Who can stop me? Not Illuminati, a mutant or a human army. Ain't you Hindu or Buddhist? Why are you trying to crucify me? Shit is futile. Shit is futile and about as foolish as a Jewish Nazi. You can try me and lose the shotty just like you was Charlie. Damn. Man, I could treetop scope you, but I'd rather walk in the mall and knock your kiosk over. You had Jay-Z as your cover photo. You weak rock poser. Somebody tell Deepak Chopra that he's not Hova. And why do you rap? Look, and why do you rap fast and do all these weird ass hand movements to distract us from the? Look, all right, hold on, let me get Hey, and why do you rap fast and do all these lame ass hand movements that don't even coincide with any of your whack pathetic rhymes? I guess you figure since you like to reach a lot when you rap, you might as well do it literally to distract us from the fact you couldn't craft some better lines. Yeah. But in a scrap, it's a fact that your ass could never fight because you don't know what to do with your hands like Talladega Nights. Listen, but ain't no need to drag on. I know I spit these bars. Y'all really thought that I was gonna lose to this retard? Man, I just killed you. Now hop in your shitty car and take your faggot ass back to the Quickie Mart.
Damn. Let's go, man. Make some fucking noise. What's up?